How to clear cache on the RedNote app to free up storage and improve the app's performance. First, open the RedNote app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three horizontal line icon on the right corner. Here, you see Settings option. Inside Settings, look for Storage, Clear Cache, or a similar option. Tap Clear Cache, then confirm if a confirmation message appears. That's it. The cached files will be removed. This won't delete your account, posts, messages, or saved content. It only removes temporary files that the app has stored, which can help free up storage and fix minor performance issues. If you don't see the Clear Cache option, your version of RedNote may not include it. In that case, you can clear the app cache from your phone's app settings if your device supports it. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.